Alright class, it's case number 4, multiplication rule. So when we have two functions and they are multiplying, how to derivate them? So there is a working formula to find out the derivative of two functions, and the working formula says d by dx of u and v. U and v are two functions. It says u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Alright. So whenever you have a multiplication case, when there are two functions and they are multiplying, you need to apply that working formula. Now how to apply that working formula? It's very simple. We are going to consider first function as u. So u equals to 2x, and we are going to consider the next function v. So that will be x plus 3 power 5. Alright. When I need to find out the derivative of u, it's u derivative, right? U apostrophe means u derivative, that will be 2. And if I need to find out the derivative of v apostrophe, so the rules are, first we need to write down the power, then subtract 1 from the power, right? Since it's only x, there is no coefficient, so d by dx of x is equals to 1. So we are not writing 1 here. So that is my differentiation of v and u. And now I'm going to substitute the values in the working formula. Dy over dx is equals to, formula says u, alright, u, and the value of u we have, it's 2x, u, derivative of v, the derivative of v we have, it's 5 times of x plus 3 power 4, u derivative of v, plus, after that it says v is what? V is x plus 3 power 5, and derivative of u, that will be 2x. Alright. Working formula says what? U is what? U is 2x. Derivative of v this one. So we have multiplied these two, plus in the working formula v is what? X plus 3 power 5, and derivative of u, that is 2, not x. Alright. So that is the working formula of u into v, and now we need to simplify. So it will be 2 5s are 10x, inside the bracket it's x plus 3 power 4 plus 2 times of x plus 3 power 5. We can take common because these two brackets are same. The common will be the lowest power, that means x plus 3 power 4 is common. Inside the bracket it will be 10x plus 2 times of x plus 3. You can expand the brackets, it will be x plus 3 power 4, and it will be 10x plus 2x plus 6. Alright, so finally it will be x plus 3 power 4 and 10x plus 2x, 12x plus 6, and that is your final answer. So let's take one more example, y equals to x minus 1 power cube and 3x, right? At first we need to assign u and v because the two functions are multiplying. So I am saying that u is equals to x minus 1 power cube and v is equals to 3x, right? Then we need to find out the derivative of u. So u derivative is, first we need to write down the power and then subtract 1 from the power. Similarly, I need to find out the derivative of v, and derivative of v is 3. Now the working formula says u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. I'm going to place the values here. U is what? U is x minus 1 power cube. Derivative of v is what? It's 3 plus. V is what? V is 3x, and derivative of u we have, it's 3 times x minus 1 power 2. Alright, we have placed the values, now we need to simplify it. So it will be 3 times x minus 1 power cube plus 3 3s are 9x multiply with x minus 1 power 2. You can take common here, and that will be x minus 1 power 2, and inside the bracket it will be 3 times of x minus 1 plus 9x. Alright, x minus 1 whole square as it is outside the bracket, and inside the bracket it will be 3x minus 3 plus 9x. So the final answer, it will be x minus 1 whole square, and inside the bracket 3x plus 9x, it's 12x minus 3. That is your final answer.